Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Following currently here the latest update of the chart. I can't remember if I communicated it in the last video or if it was just as a signal to channel members. However, we've modified the chart obviously due to this strong reversal that happened here on the 18th of April after we hit our resistance here, basically double top. Came down here quite impulsively. I'm currently watching if this is a C wave, basically that the move down that occurred since 28th of, well, between the 28th of January and the 10th of March. This was an A wave. We then rallied in a B wave, a 3-wave corrective structure, and we're now coming down in an impulse in a C wave. Normally, the C wave in an ideal case would end below the A wave, which would rather than target the lower area of this trend reversal area on the chart. As long as it holds the $12.99 level, I don't see trouble. However, if it breaks below that, then this larger bullish assumption that we rallied here in a 5-wave move of the December lows and then are correcting down in 3 waves, this larger bullish assumption will get challenged. Below 12.99, that's below the 78.6 retracement. That just makes any further upside, let's say, unreliable. What I'm not entirely sure about, and in my opinion, there's no way of knowing that at this stage, is this a WXY structure or is it an ABC? The thing is that in an ABC structure, we nearly have enough waves, or actually have enough waves complete already to count this as a C wave. There's, however, only limited structure in here to work with. In a WXY, I could align it with Bitcoin's count. So basically, if we have a WXY structure, then the Y wave could consist of an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. So it could then take it down a little lower into this box here. Can it go down straight away? Yes, of course it can, but we will have support along the way at 16.18, 14.86, and then of course 12.99. I'm currently here on the 4-hour chart. You can see that bullish momentum is already starting to increase. The MACD seems to have to be turned around, bullish crossover, and we were oversold on the 4-hour chart and still are actually, down here. All of that would rather suggest some kind of a reversal that might be coming. And that's what I said, this could be this ABC structure. I'm going to add it on the chart in a different color now. This could be an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave to put this wave 2 in here, a bit lower. To try to trade every single wave of a correction, you'll most likely not succeed. But what is might be more useful and reasonable is to look for how low can the price go in the current scenario in this wave 2 without really changing probabilities too much, and that's the 12.99 level. As long as we're holding that, there's still a bullish scenario left for AVAX. Below that, it will really get challenging. Now that would still allow AVAX to drop another, let's say 21%. Without invalidating an overall bullish scenario. Now, I shouldn't say invalidate because this 1-2 setup really will not be invalidated as long as we stay above 1064, but below it will. But that's why we use the fib levels, because in 9 of 10 cases, such a wave 2 is not going to work out if it breaks below the 78.6 retracement. Now, and then looking at the daily chart, here, and that's why I think this move down isn't quite over yet. The daily MACD is only just now crossing below the 0 line, negative momentum increasing, and there's still space before we get into the oversold reading or region on the RSI on the daily. Now, however, as soon as we get into the oversold region on the daily and AVAX tends to bounce off before we really go below 30, there is not too much more space left. So I think it has a chance really to make a higher low in this region, in this yellow box, and then to turn around. But it might first be a B wave rally. Alright, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.